Hey everyone, I'm finally back in my workshop and I'm really sorry I did not upload for the past 3 or 4 months. I uploaded some videos but nothing in my workshop, no projects. We went to events and stuff like that, but now I'm finally back and I really missed making videos for you guys and doing some projects. If you have seen in the community tab in my channel, last week I had this vote between for the next project. And it was between the A350, Airbus A350 and the A330 Neo. Of course the A350 won. Both airplanes are amazing, but the A350 won, so that means my next project is going to be the Airbus A350-900 or 1000. I think 900 because I still have the retracts from the Dreamliner, and the Airbus, the A350-900 has 4 wheels. And the 1000 has 6 wheels like 777. So I have these. I'll make the 900. It's a bit shorter, but it's, yeah. Today I was about to disassemble and just throw the 737, just salvage whatever usable parts and throw the rest. But then I saw this online. And this thing is so funny and so cute. I was like, this could work. The airplane is already retired. So why not cut the fuselage, smash the nose and the tail together and see it will fly. Anyway, let's get the 737 down here and see what we can do with it. This video is sponsored by PCBWay. They offer full costume PCB prototype services, high quality boards, fair pricing and low volume production. Check them out at pcbway.com. So as you can see, the plane is smashed and yeah, it's retired and the nose wheels are missing. So how should I cut? By the way, it looks really good in the camera, but in real life it's crap. Let's do it. So now we have this. It looks funny already. Looks so funny. Okay, I have to find a way to glue it together. We need a hatch for the battery and for the receiver to go inside. So I'll cut it here and let's hope it's in the correct location. So that's a hatch. Alright. Okay, hatch is ready. And I have all these cables. I need to connect them all together with the receiver, and I wanted actually to make it even more shorter, but we will have less chance of success because it's always better to have the vertical and the horizontal stabilizer, which is rudder elevator, farther back from the CG. The plane will fly more stable. In the picture, it's the rudder is like here, and there is no elevator at all, so it doesn't make any sense. It will fly as a flying wing, but very unstable flying wing, so we will crash because like rudder is on the CG. This will never stabilize anything, and so this is the best way, I think, and it's ready to be glued all together, and let's do it. Perfect. Okay, everything is ready, everything is connected. The flaps are still working. I thought they are broken, but they're working perfectly. That's amazing. Also, the retracts are functioning, but the nose gear is not really functioning. Sometimes it doesn't close. The doors are not even connected, so whatever. I just flied without the gear up. I think it's ready. So let's head to the airfield and have some fun.
Is that tail heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's this.
No.
Yeah, I did.
Oh my god.
You have a little bit of epoxy.
This will never work again.
The shortest flight ever.
Yeah, but is this tail heavy?
No. Oh, yes.
No. Gear up. Yes, thank you. Okay, now it's like that's the onboard computer. Should we go? Okay. Second try, no flaps. Okay. Down trim.
Perfect landing.
Better than before. I was full down elevator when it took off. Wait. So the wings were, wait, you know what? I want to push this more down even, more down. Yes, like this. Because I was, like it flew, but the elevator was not doing anything.
Maybe it's...
I was pushing full down, but nothing happened.
Full down.
Nothing. Full down. It just kept going vertical.
You have to do less throttle then.
Yes,
Maybe
yes.
maybe it's a throttle.
Was too much. The angle of the motors, yeah, the thrust angle, yes. Too much. Don't give up, don't give up. What? I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, perfect. It's like new. Better than new.
So we are trying everything.
So
I think this is the last try because
why?
there is no way. Why?
Und man fliegt ja wirklich das
Yeah, I don't know.
Servo.
Half throttle.
Okay.
Okay. Go far, it will crash on us, that's for sure. Go there, go there. Okay. It's just okay. So I think it's the end of the video.
Oh, are you sure?
I don't know what to do now. It will never fly. Yeah.
But
It
that was
flew.
the longest flight.
Yeah, the longest flight, which
Yeah.
is it was just falling. It was not flying, it was falling. Anyway, guys, I'm trying my best not to give up, but this is the last try. We taped everything. It doesn't look even like an airplane, but we will give it the last shot and see what happens. Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go!
Flying better than before.
It flew better, yeah? Okay. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm giving up. Don't give up, but I'm giving up now. It's done. It's done. No more. I'm really sorry, guys. I wanted to end this video with a flight, but as you can see, there's nothing left. There is nothing else we can do. The airplane is just done. I mean, I wanted to retire this airplane anyways, and so nothing else we can do in here. Stay tuned for more quality content, hopefully soon. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. I hope no one is disappointed. Bye.